Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are using an iPhone without a SIM card and you are wondering how you can still make calls, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you two simple methods that you can use to make calls without a SIM card. All you need is a working internet connection. Method 1. Using FaceTime. The first method is FaceTime. First, you need to make sure that FaceTime is enabled on your iPhone. Open Settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Now look for FaceTime and tap on it. Here, make sure FaceTime is turned on. You also see your contact information, so select your email address to make sure you can use FaceTime with your Apple account. Once that's done, go back and open the phone app. Now select the contact you want to call. Once you've selected the contact, press and hold the phone icon. A FaceTime option will appear on the screen. Simply tap on FaceTime and your call will be made through the internet instead of a SIM card. Just make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi. Method 2. Using Google Voice. The second method is Google Voice. If Google Voice is available in your country, you can use it to make calls over the internet without relying on the SIM card in your iPhone. Simply download the Google Voice app, sign in with your Google account and complete the setup. During the setup, you may need to verify an existing phone number. Once your Google Voice account is set up, you can use your Google Voice number to make calls through the app. This can be especially useful if you want a separate number for business or other calling purposes. However, keep in mind that Google Voice isn't available in every country. You'll need to check whether it's supported in your region. And that's it. These are two ways you can make calls on iPhone without using a physical SIM card.